We're going to explain how to convert an object to a list in Python. This might seem straightforward if your object is already iterable, like a tuple or a string, but it gets more interesting when dealing with other object types. Let's break it down into a few common scenarios. 1. If your object is already iterable. If your object is something like a string, tuple, set, or dictionary for the keys or values, converting it to a list is incredibly simple. You just use the list constructor. For example, Python myString hello, my list equals list my string. My list will be HELLO. My tuple equals 1, 2, 3. My list list. My tuple to my list will be 1, 2, 3. My set is 4, 5, 6. My list is list my set. My list will be 4, 5, 6. Order might vary. My dict is A, 1, B, 2. My list keys list my dict keys. My list keys will be A, B. My list values equals list my dict values. My list values will be 1, 2, 2. If your object is a custom class, things get a bit more involved when you're dealing with objects from classes you've defined yourself. If you want to represent the object as a list, you typically need to explicitly define a method within the class that returns the desired list representation. Let's say you have a dog class, Python class. Dog, def and init, self, name, breed. Self.name is name self, breed and breed, def to list self. Return, self, name, self.breed. My dog equals dog, buddy, golden retriever. Dog list equals my dog to list. Dog list will be buddy, golden retriever. Here, the toList method explicitly creates and returns a list containing the relevant attributes of the dog object. 3. Using vars and for simpler classes. For simpler classes with only attributes, you can use the built-in varsid function. This function returns a dictionary containing the object's attributes. You can then convert this dictionary to a list of key-value pairs or just the keys or values as before. Python class. Cat, def font init. Self, name color, self, name. Equals name self. Color, equals color. My cat equals cat, whiskers, gray. Cat dict equals vars, my cat. Bad cat dict will be plot name, whiskers, color, gray. Cat list items equals list, cat dict items. Cat list items will be name, whiskers, color, gray. Cat list keys equals list cat dict dot keys. Had cat list keys will be name, color, cat list values equals list cat dict dot values. Add cat list values will be whiskers, gray. In summary, converting an object to a list in Python involves using the list constructor for iterable objects, defining a custom method for complex objects to specify the desired list representation, or employing the vars and function for simpler custom classes. The best approach depends entirely on the type and complexity of the object you're working with. Remember to consider what aspects of the object you wish to include in the resulting